2915 via Corbina. Follow-up inspection. This is after our trenchless sewer liner install. This is the city tie-in. We're going to be pulling back for the inspection. This line has been fully rehabilitated. This is all 4-inch. Was bad 4-inch clay. Now it's all 4-inch rehabilitated line. This liner came out absolutely beautifully. This line had several severe breaks and offsets, root intrusions throughout the 100 feet. Now this line has no more intrusions, no more breaks, and is pretty much brand new. Picture perfect. And we are out at the backyard, and that concludes the inspection.